I attempted to put on like these 1 inch heels. Like they're super comfortable. I bought them for a bachelorette party before then, if in Vegas, before I lived here, so I knew that it would hurt. I put those things on last night, and I was like, okay, let me walk around the house real quick. Let me just walk and see how it goes. Because to be honest, that front part of like the strap in the front kind of was a little tight on my pinky toe. And I was like, well, I'm going to be sitting a lot. Maybe this will be okay. I walked around the house and I didn't realize how slippery those things were. I was like, why am I slipping and sliding in here? And I was almost out the door. And I realized, I was like, what the fuck am I doing? Like, what the fuck am I doing right now? Like, there's no, I
Oh
was
my
like, there's no
God.
reason